Welcome to Towngas Smart Metering. To begin with, please check the MSID. You may refer to the sticker on the gas meter or the gas bill. If the first four digits of the MSID are 3360, please continue the tutorial at 1 minute 50 seconds. The process to connect the gas meter to your home Wi-Fi and upload the gas meter reading automatically is very simple. First, walk closer to the gas meter. Press the plus sign on the home meter page. Make sure that the mobile phone has Bluetooth turned on and is connected to your home Wi-Fi. Then, select the MSID of the gas meter. The app will pop up a message to check if you want to set or reset Wi-Fi function. If you want to use the Wi-Fi function, click Yes. If you only want to use the Bluetooth to report reading, click No. Then, click on the Wi-Fi name that you want to connect to. Enter the Wi-Fi password and the setting is completed. The gas meter readings will be automatically uploaded to Towngas through your home Wi-Fi every month. You could also view the meter reporting records and notifications in the menu, which is located on the upper left corner of the main screen. Check the meter readings anytime with Bluetooth mode.
Towngas Smart Metering. Report meter reading in single click. Just turn on the Bluetooth and internet connection of your mobile device. You can walk closer to the home gas meter and press the plus sign in the middle of the page. System will automatically search the surrounding meters. If two or more meters are being detected, you can check the MSID code on the gas meter station or the gas bill, so as to ensure that the gas meter is connected successfully. Apart from this method, you can also scan the QR code on the meter station or the gas bill for connection. System will record your account information once it is matched, and you will receive pop-up reminder for regular meter reading reports. Back to the home page, just press the report button in orange to send your reading. It is quick and convenient. To check the meter reporting history, click colon on the top left corner and select reporting history. You can check the latest 30 records with the uploading status, time, reading, and MSID. If the record is shown as not uploaded yet, it may be due to the inconnectivity during the reporting. Just reconnect to the internet and click the upload button on the top right corner to resubmit. Otherwise, the record will be uploaded when you log into the apps again next time. You can also help your relatives or friends to report their meter readings. Similar to the home meter reporting, just click the report button in blue and select the appropriate meter station. Let's share with your friends and relatives. Enjoy smart metering moment now.